Hello, I'm here with Hamza. We're going to be showing you a demo of our project for LUdev. So we're working for this company called LMCS, which is Logical Methods in Computer Science. And essentially they're a publishing platform that publishes journals, publishes papers in their journal for free for authors, and it's free to read as well. So essentially they're working on this Episciences platform, and they don't really like the way that the pipeline works on this platform. So they asked us to make a alternate version for it. So we saw this installer was enabled before, we're just going to re-enable it. This essentially just enables our updated version of the pipeline. So we see we have one accepted article in this mini database we made. It's just one article, and we see it's written by Yanni here. So the paper's been accepted by us, and so let's just walk through the process of the new pipeline. So we can request the final version of the password from Yanni, which we would need to edit on the paper. So this would send a email template to Yanni. Currently there is no templates as we are still adding these, but it shouldn't be too much work. The functionality is still there, so we'll just submit there. Sends the email, and in this case it's empty, but that will be added later. And now you see we're waiting on the final version of the password, so we can't do that here because we're waiting on Yanni's response. So if we go to Yanni's account, she also has this paper. He does not have this paper. There we go. If we see her paper here, we can see that we can deposit the final version and the archive passwords right here. So let's go. Let's say this was version 1. Our password is 1, and we choose a file. Don't look at my files. Okay. Let's sure, whatever, it works. That's not a deal. So here we can see that deposit this paper and transcribe the paper is it's submitted. So now we go here and we reload real quick. And so if we use the correct password, correct author file, in the case there was a wrong extension, so this would probably be valid, but let's say it was good, and we continue with the layout editing. And templates will be added later. Now we're doing the layout editing process. Now, of course, we're not going to be actually editing this, but let's say we reassign some editors into this paper, we put it over here, and they will work on it, and eventually they would send they would attach to this email updated version of the paper. So then they can submit this with an attachment, of course. And now we're waiting on the author's proof. So if we go back to Yalia real quick, she would then be able to approve or reject this new version. So let's say she approves it. It's a good version. And then email will be sent telling everyone that it's been approved. We just send that real quick. And now it's been approved. Yalia can't do anything anymore. We go back over here. The editor is in editor's turn again. The author's approved it, so we can approve this for publication. So send an email to whoever needs to know this. And we submit. And boom. So now its paper's ready for publication. We're just waiting on one of the editors to upload this to archive to any open source place. And then finally we can mark it as published. And we're done.